Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set a buy limit on Kraken. A buy limit order is a powerful tool that allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for a cryptocurrency. This means your order will only be filled at your chosen price or better, giving you precise control over your investment strategy. It is a fundamental way to manage risk and secure your desired entry point into the market. To begin, simply log in to your Kraken account. Once inside, you will want to find the Trade section, typically located in the main navigation. From there, select the specific cryptocurrency pair you intend to trade, for example, Bitcoin versus US dollar. Finally, click on the New Order tab, which will present you with the various order types available for your transaction. Now, on the order form, select Limit as your order type. This is crucial for setting your specific price. Next, input the exact price you are willing to pay for each unit of the cryptocurrency. For instance, if you want to buy Bitcoin when it reaches $40,000, you would enter that figure. Then, specify the total quantity of cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, perhaps 0.1 Bitcoin. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details of your limit order. Double-check the price, the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying, and the total cost. Ensure everything aligns with your trading strategy. Once you are confident, simply click the Buy button to place your limit order. It will then wait in the order book until your specified price is met or exceeded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.